following message is transmitted at the request of the Pennsylvania State Police Department. At 11:41 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Camp Indigo Wranglers informed Pennsylvania State Police officers of the disappearance of multiple campers. We ask at this time that you remain indoors for the time being. Lock your doors. If anything breaks into your home, use a firearm to distract them. Do not expect to kill anything. Please await further updates.